This video shows a locomotive for Marklin that is made by Piko. And it's a Dutch locomotive, the 1100, and it just came out as an MFX decoder. So it's completely geared towards the Marklin 3-rail system. Because a lot of my customers are not familiar with the Piko brand, I decided to do a complete unboxing. So it may not look that exciting, but at least it gives you a better impression of how these products are packed and what it looks like. First you have the instruction booklets. And some instructions for the decoders that are in the locomotive, or the decoder. Tiny little catalog. And a parts list. The packaging is somewhat similar to Marklin's locomotives, meaning the outer box and then a plastic cradle that's in there pretty tight. We'll pull the locomotive out of the sleeve. There's some extra accessories, detail parts as I call them, in a little bag. And this locomotive is in there pretty tight. There she is. The housing is made out of plastic, but it's highly detailed with many add-on parts. It looks very, very nice. You can see all the details. Look at the windshield wipers put on even. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and register the locomotive, and I'll let this run in real time so you get a better idea of how long it takes for this locomotive to register itself. I'm using an old mobile station, and as you can see, it works perfectly. There, the registration is complete. Because there are so many sound functions, you can hit the shift button to get additional sound functions for the locomotive.